Hi friends. Today's our topic is my birthday. Listen carefully, then answer the questions at the end. Birthdays are a very special day for everyone who celebrates it. Firstly, it makes the person feel loved when their close one does special things for them. Being loved is one of the most special feelings in the world. Secondly, it makes the person mature. We always wait for our birthday every day, as we get older, and gain a sense of maturity every year. Our birthday marks the occasion for the very same thing. Moreover, it helps you gain special privileges as well. After that, birthdays are also an eye-opener for many, as they feel gratitude. When you see many people going out of their way to make you feel special, you feel gratitude for being blessed with so many things. Most importantly, birthdays are call for celebrations. It is one of the day where we get to see all our loved ones in one place. No one can make an excuse, and you get to spend time with everyone you love under one roof. My name is Elsa, and just like everyone else, I also look forward to my birthday every year. It happens on 6th of March, which makes March special month for me. Ever since my childhood, my parents have a birthday tradition. Every year, we go to have ice cream late at night, to mark the beginning of my birthday. It is a very small thing, but it means a lot to me. So far, we have never missed doing this together, and I hope we can continue it forever. On my birthday, I usually throw a birthday party inviting all my close friends. It is a fun-filled day, where all my friends take part in exciting activities. My mother makes my favorite dish, which I enjoy eating on my birthday. Moreover, the special part about celebration is that my siblings prepare a dance performance for me every year, on my favorite song. It is hilarious, as they include funniest steps deliberately to make me laugh. The most exciting part about my birthday celebration is opening gifts when everyone leaves. I cherish every gift of mine dearly, no matter how big or small. My favorite gift till date is the huge teddy bear my father got for me. Therefore, each year, I wait eagerly for my birthday to arrive, so that I can spend a great time with my friends and family. It makes me realize how blessed I am to have all this. Drop your answer in comments. From which country you are watching us? Do you celebrate your birthday every year? Who never forgets your birthday? Today we will play a quiz game. There are 5 questions that are all taken from today's lesson. If you listen the lesson carefully, quiz will be very easy for you. Let's get started. Question 1. Which one is the special day to celebrate? A. Vacation. B. Weekend. C. National Day. D. Birthday. The correct answer is D. Birthday. Question 2. Elsa celebrates her birthday on A. 1st June. B. 6th March. C. 15th August. D. 25th November. The correct answer is B. 6th March. Question 3. Elsa and her family starts birthday celebration by eating A. Cake. B. Pizza. C. Ice cream. D. Burger. The correct answer is C. Ice cream. Question 4. Elsa's siblings prepare a special for her. A. Sitcom. B. Cake. C. Dress. D. Dance. The correct answer is D. Dance. Question 5. Elsa's favorite gift till date is A. Teddy bear. B. Doll. C. Diary. D. Family photo. The correct answer is A. Teddy bear. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you liked the video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Comment and tell me what topic you want to practice next. Have a good time, everyone.